Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade demo on HFM. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the HFM client area to placing a demo trade inside the platform. A demo account is useful because it lets you practice trading in a simulated environment before risking real funds. So this is a great place to get comfortable with the process. To begin, go to the My HF page on HFM and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Trading Accounts. This section is where you can manage your existing accounts and create new ones. Next, click on Open Demo Account. This will take you to the Account Setup area, where HFM shows the available demo account options. From there, select the sample trading account shown on the screen. This is the account type being used for the demonstration. After that, enter the required details for the demo account. Take your time here and make sure each field is completed correctly, since these settings determine how your demo account will be configured. Once everything is filled in, click Open Account. In this example, an already created account is used, so if you've previously set one up, you can continue with that instead of creating a new one again. When your demo account is ready, locate it in your account area and click Trade. This launches the trading access options connected to that account. Then choose the sample platform shown. This opens the web-based trading platform, where you can place and manage demo trades directly in your browser without needing extra software. Inside the platform, select a sample symbol. A symbol is the instrument you want to trade, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another market available in the demo environment. Choosing the correct symbol is important because the chart and order controls will update based on that selection. Once the symbol is loaded, go to the top left of the chart and click either Buy or Sell. Buy is typically used if you expect the price to move higher, while Sell is used if you expect the price to move lower. After selecting one of those options, move to the panel on the right side and confirm your Buy or Sell order. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of opening or accessing a demo account and placing a demo trade on HFM. If you're practicing, it can help to repeat these steps a few times so the platform starts to feel familiar and the trading flow becomes more natural.